sent a message, a customer. So she said, "Hi, I would like blue, purple or magenta, yellow and orange line. Lisa prices, please. Thank you." I just sent her okay. I told her name, please. Name, please. She told me okay. Told her okay too. Whoa, her name is so cute, Sari. So I just told her wow and how much slime. She told me 5 each. I said okay. I'm gonna be packing the yellow one.
Done na.
There. So I packed the yellow one.
Done na.
Next, I am going to pack the purple. Let's get a lid. I'm gonna get the green lid since I have no lid. There's the green lid. There. I got the green lid now. I'm gonna pack the purple. What should I use? I would wanna use... Wait. I want to use this. Purple bottle.
Pinapitas ka. Ay, spin.
Now I'm gonna pack the orange next. Whee! Whee! Now let's get this. Now what should I use?
Sana din, hindi mo rin kasi
Now I'm going to pack the blue one. Hey! So guys, I packed the blue one now. Yay! So now I'm gonna complete all of them. Then I'm going to pack. Look guys. So guys, it's gonna be my time to pack. Look.
Kaya ayaw ko na may 5-5.
I'm gonna pack the order.
Gagawin niya plus 35.
I'm gonna pack.
Kaya 170. Kaya ano kaya 170? 170. Kaya seller 155.
So guys, as the one that I know, the one that I always do is putting extras, right? So I'm gonna put one now. Time to deliver it.